welcome to my channel. My name is Nancy and today we're doing a super quick review of a mascara that is new to me. It is the Pixie by Petra Lash Lift 188 mascara. It's the double brush mascara. The shade is Beyond Black and this is what it looks like. It retails for about 18 bucks, so it's not necessarily very cheap, but the cool thing about it is you get two different brush wands. That's not necessary, is it? You get two different wands in one mascara. The formula is a wet mascara. It is a tubing mascara, which just kind of changes the way that it comes off your lashes. But here we have it. Here is the skinny wand that it comes with. There you go, the skinny wand. And then you just kind of put that back in here, and then you grab this part and twist, and then you get access to the larger wand. And that is what it looks like. It's got short, spiky bristles. They're plasticky. I guess it's not a natural brush. I don't know how to tell the difference, quite honestly, but they're pretty firm bristles. It's 0.28 ounces and 8 grams. And what we're going to go ahead and do is I currently have it on my lashes, but if you stick around, I'm going to go ahead and apply it for you so you can see what the skinny wand application looks like and the fat wand application and lower lash line. So if you want to see what this looks like on my lashes and so you can see it before and after, stick around and we'll get right to it. Okay, I've just got some blush, foundation, all the basics. I intentionally did not put any eyeliner on because I just wanted to let you see what the mascara looks like kind of on its own without a liner to kind of make it look a little bit more beefy. You know what I mean? So a very simple eye look, but I just wanted to have some color on my eyes for reference. And I'm going to go ahead and do one eye with the teeny tiny wand, and then I'm going to do the other eye with only the large sized wand, and then I will do the lower lash line for you. So let's go ahead and start with the skinny kind of, I don't know, a detail wand, I guess you would call it, and also zoom you in so you can see this up close. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this mascara on. Okay, so this is one coat using the skinny wand. Go ahead and dip back in here and get that second coat on, and so you can kind of see what it looks like with and without mascara. Okay, and this is the second coat, and I did notice that on the second coat it was a lot harder to drag the wand through my eyelashes. Like the mascara formula itself is very wet, so the skinny wand just did not have enough like tooth on it to actually like grip the lashes once the second coat got on. But it's still a pretty enjoyable looking mascara, I think, on my eyelashes. It gave some length, it gave some volume, and it kind of curled it. But beware this stuff. If you sneeze, if you blink, if you do something stupid, it will get all over your eye. I think I even got a little bit on my eyelid. So you do have to be careful. Let us go ahead and do the large wand. So here we go. Okay, so I'm going to say that this is the first coat. And I've got some eyelashes that are kind of clumping together, but Okay, so there is the first coat using the larger wand. And we're going to go ahead and get that second coat on. Here we go. Okay, so it is getting a little kind of clumpy on the second coat. This is normally where I'd probably get something sharp and pointy to separate those lashes. But this is what it looks like using the large wand. So this is the large wand on this eye and on this eye. And also these lashes, I didn't curl them beforehand. So these are just my natural lash. I didn't curl them or do anything. So let's go ahead and do the lower lash line now. And there we have it. I'm going to go ahead and zoom us back out. Okay, so here we have it. This is the finished look using the Pixie mascara. Pixie by Petra, LashLift 188. The shade is called Beyond Black, and it's the double brush mascara. Again, this retails for about $18. I do like this one particularly because it's easy to remove. Regular facial cleansing soap and water, it stays on really well all day. It doesn't flake on me. It adds a little bit of lift, a little bit of curl. It kind of crosses the border between, you know, a lengthening and a volumizing mascara. It's not too volumizing, it's not too lengthening. I mean, it does give some great length, I think. I have worn other tubing mascaras that are wet that actually take the curl away from my lashes. So this one I like because it doesn't do that. $18, I don't know that I'm kind of on the fence about the price. The one thing that I do really like about it is you don't have to have a separate mascara for that lower lash line. A lot of people tend to have one mascara that is a nice skinny wand, and then they have their regular wand mascara to do their upper lashes. So this is kind of all in one. So if you look at it that way in terms of the price point, it's not that bad. But I don't know. I'm kind of torn. Like, if I run out of this, would I buy it again? I'm not too sure, but I do like it for an everyday kind of mascara. It's great for work. It's not too much. Like, if you're looking for that fat going out lash, this is not necessarily going to do it for you. But for an everyday, day-to-day lash look where you get the skinny wand and the regular wand all in one, I think this is a nice compromise to be able to pick it up at the drugstore at Target. So that's going to do it for my super quick review on the Pixie by Petra LashLift 188 mascara in the shade Beyond Black. I hope you enjoyed this super quick review of this mascara. I love doing them. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoy this kind of content and you'd like to see another video from me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell before you take off so you can be notified the next time I upload a video. But until then, I hope you have a good day or good night wherever you are. Stay happy until then. All right, take care. Bye.